Welcome back to Autocar, your ultimate destination for everything automotive. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Range Rover, the pinnacle of luxury and performance in the SUV world. Let's begin with its exterior design. The 2025 Range Rover continues the legacy of elegant yet robust styling. At first glance, you're greeted by its signature silhouette, which exudes sophistication. The front fascia has been refined with slimmer LED headlights and a more pronounced grille, giving it a modern and commanding presence. The clean body lines flow seamlessly from the front to the rear, complemented by flush door handles and subtle detailing. This minimalist approach highlights the vehicle's premium nature. The rear features sleek taillights with an intricate LED pattern, and the floating roof design remains a standout feature, emphasizing the Range Rover's timeless appeal. Available in a range of striking color options and wheel designs, the 2025 model lets you personalize your luxury experience. Step inside, and the 2025 Range Rover welcomes you to a world of unparalleled opulence. The cabin is a masterpiece of modern luxury, featuring the finest materials like premium leather, sustainable wood veneers, and brushed metal accents. The redesigned seats are not only supremely comfortable but also equipped with advanced heating, cooling, and massage functions. The new floating touchscreen seamlessly integrates into the dashboard, controlling the Pivi Pro infotainment system, which now supports over-the-air updates and offers wireless connectivity for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Rear seat passengers aren't left behind, with executive-class seating that rivals first-class flights. Ambient lighting with customizable colors creates a serene environment, while the Meridian sound system ensures an immersive audio experience. With more interior space than ever, thanks to clever engineering, the 2025 Range Rover caters to both comfort and practicality. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Range Rover is no slouch. It offers a range of engine options, from the powerful inline-six to the plug-in hybrid, and for the ultimate enthusiasts, the V8 powerhouse. The refined suspension system and all-wheel drive ensure a smooth and composed ride, whether you're on highways or tackling off-road trails. Thanks to advanced technology like terrain response 2, the Range Rover adapts to any surface with ease. Let's not forget the history that makes the Range Rover iconic. First introduced in 1970, it set the benchmark for luxury SUVs, blending rugged capability with high-end comfort. Over the decades, it has evolved while staying true to its heritage. As for the price, the 2025 Range Rover starts at around $105,000 and goes up depending on trims and customizations. While it's a significant investment, the blend of design, performance, and technology ensures it's worth every penny. That's all for today's in-depth look at the 2025 Range Rover. If you're as impressed as we are, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and updates from Autocar. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.